In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own travel planning AI agents, a team that works together to plan trips, suggest local experiences, give language tips, and deliver a complete itinerary, all powered by Samba Nova. For demo purposes, I've hard-coded my Samba Nova API key directly in the script so we can run this instantly without setting up a NB file. Here, I'm setting up the Samba Nova API connection by defining the API URL and key, then storing them as environment variables so other parts of the program can use them. Finally, I print the API URL and a shortened version of the key. Now, I'm defining the four agents in our travel planning team. Planner agent builds the day-by-day itinerary from the user's request. Local agent adds authentic, on-the-ground ideas, hidden spots, food, and experiences.
So the language agent checks the plan for language tips like key phrases and communication advice. Then summary agent combine all inputs into one final plan and ends with terminate. So all agents share the same API client so they work together smoothly. And it's time to run the script. So are you ready to build your business future? Upgrade to the Samba Nova developer tier today and start creating powerful, intelligent automation that work for you 24/7.